Dear gems, welcome back to today's podcast. Let's talk all about hydroquinone. Before we start, please note, this is my personal opinion. I've been doing a lot of research on all pigmenting actives for some few months now, since around March this year 2024, and I've tried over 12 active ingredient combinations so far. This is my final take and opinion on all different contributions I have gathered about hydroquinone controversies. We are all open to our own opinions in the comment section, and let's talk and learn. The main aim is to learn. So hydroquinone is a common ingredient in skincare product known for its skin lightening properties. It is often used to treat hyperpigmentation, dark spots, melasma. However, it is essential to use it as directed by a dermatologist. A misuse can lead to skin irritation and other side effects. Therefore, always remember to wear sunscreen while using products containing hydroquinone or any actives generally to protect your skin from sun harmful damage. For some people, melanocytes produce excessive amounts of melanin, resulting in dark patches of skin, condition known as melasma. This can appear as gray-brown patches, normally on the cheek, nose, chin, forehead, and upper lips. In some cases, dark patches may also appear on the neck, the arms, the inner thigh, and in between breasts. Although it's women who are normally affected the most by melasma, but it does affect a small number of men too. Melasma is also very common among pregnant women due to the fluctuations of their hormones. Sun exposure is also a very common cause of melasma. So, for whatever your reason or reasons for considering using products with hydroquinone, it is vital you discuss this treatment with a trained professional dermatologist. The effects are not immediate, and you will need to apply the hydroquinone products correctly for the time specified by your skin expert. It's mostly around a 4-week duration in a whole year cycle, which means you will use it only 4 weeks during a year. But generally, it takes around 4 to 6 weeks for the effect of hydroquinone to become noticeable. Also, some patients may find that it takes longer to see visible results, even with the best hydroquinone cream, lotions, bar soap, or body wash. Let's discuss hydroquinone. I will be talking in sequence so you can understand better. 1. Skin conditions to use this controversial ingredient on. The most common usage of hydroquinone products is to treat skin conditions that cause hyperpigmentation, aka dark spots. Besides melasma, these conditions include acne scar or pimples as you all know it too, age spots, and even eczema marks. But what's often overlooked by a lot of untrained people using hydroquinone is that it can't treat actively inflamed areas. Let me explain. What I mean is, hydroquinone products can certainly help with old acne scars, but it can't help if you are regularly always having active breakouts that's causing dark spots or redness. Number 2, side effects. Almost all medicine have their side effects, and hydroquinone is no exception to this rule. Some of the side effects are irritation, and if regularly abused, it causes onchronosis. So, to people that don't know what onchronosis means, it's actually a skin condition that is almost impossible to revert back. It's like cancerous cells, and it does a permanent damage on your face if you abuse hydroquinone. But if your skin is particularly vulnerable to contracting dermatitis or skin irritation, hydroquinone products may not be the best option for you at all. One of the most well-known side effects of hydroquinone is that patients can often find themselves susceptible to ultraviolet UV rays and sunburn. If you plan on using hydroquinone products, always make sure you wear eye protection or protective sunscreen. SPF 50, SPF 30, please use it. Even on a bright day, as long as it's daylight, please wear your sunscreen. You need it to keep your skin protected throughout the hydroquinone treatment plan and after, which is actually a very long process. Hydroquinone isn't a quick fix, so you have to get to the root of the problem. Why is the hyperpigmentation occurring specifically? If you don't adequately guard your skin against UV rays and hydrate properly during this period of your treatment, there's a risk that your dark spots will reoccur and may even become darker than they originally were. Comes back with double force, if not more. The most common reason for health risk to arise, and the main reason why hydroquinone products are considered controversial, is that many people order their hydroquinone creams online, and most hydroquinone products do not follow safety standards or protocols. In fact, the best form of using hydroquinone products to me are in rinse-off products, either body wash or your bar soaps that do not stay on your skin for long, and they must be at 1% usage rates in that product. Using skin lightening products that you find online or over the counter is always going to be a bigger risk to your skin, and it's important we advise our clients to abstain from online cosmetology without the guide of a registered skin esthetician or a certified dermatologist. The side effect can be extremely serious and includes permanent bleached skin, visible blood vessels, uneven and patchy skin, redness, irritation. Your skin just becomes thinner, and in some cases, a stinging sensation. Number 3. Skin types for hydroquinone. Irrespective of your skin type, talk to a medical expert before considering using hydroquinone products, be it creams, bar soap, body wash, lotion, face masks, anything that contains hydroquinone. Please visit your dermatologist before using it. While most skin types will tolerate hydroquinone perfectly well, some exceptions do exist. People with dry or sensitive skin may find that using hydroquinone products results in skin that is even drier and more irritated. In some cases, those side effects can start to fade with time as the skin begins to adjust to the hydroquinone product. In terms of skin tone that can use hydroquinone products, I have found out that with darker skin tone, hydroquinone medication accelerates hyperpigmentation if used wrongly, even if they stop using the medication later down the line. Also, one of the most serious side effects of using hydroquinone product that I have not mentioned is liver and nerve damages, because once you apply it and once it enters the bloodstream, it damages the liver. In fact, any product containing mercury can lead to serious problems with the liver, especially if used during pregnancy. It can lead to your fetal being abnormal or having issues. Number 4. Hydroquinone regulations. Illegal skin lightening treatment are a growing concern and problem in Africa generally. Low quality, counterfeit medicine are constantly in the news, and the fight against suppliers that sell dangerous medicines is currently an ongoing problem in Africa and Nigeria specifically. By law, it is illegal to sell hydroquinone products, be it in cream or in rinse-off product form, without necessary medical license. Penalty for it is prosecution or jail time. So, if you are seeking a quick fix for your hyperpigmentation or sun damage, hydroquinone can help actually, but with a prescription. If you are still unsure or worried about onchronosis or other side effects, there are plenty safe alternatives that can help you achieve the same result, but it takes time. You can get products that contains niacinamide, which is known as vitamin B3, or vitamin C products. Those are all natural alternatives to hydroquinone. Or better still, just use sunscreen. It acts the same way by slowing down the skin melanin production to lightening the skin gradually. Remember, slower is better when treating hyperpigmentation or dark spots. You didn't get the dark spot overnight, so please don't expect it to leave your skin overnight. In all, stay safe. You are crucial. If you have listened to this point and have learned one or two things from our discussion so far, do well to subscribe and join the community. Also, we have soap and body care products for sale on our website, and you can purchase by clicking the link in our bio.